In this quick tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to schedule content out on Instagram. So just to make sure we're in the same place, open up the Instagram app, go ahead and click the bottom right logo so that you are on your profile. And you're going to schedule out content the same way you would post anything. So you can click on the center post icon or the icon at the top right. And you can go ahead and select whatever post you want. So let's go ahead and say, we want to create one of these. We're going to add a carousel and go ahead and click next. Here you'll have the option, to change color. We'll go over that in other videos. And here you can, write your caption. Let's write test. And instead of clicking share, what we want to go do is scroll all the way down to the advanced settings. And you'll see that the first option is to schedule this post. So if you don't want it to post right away, you want to schedule it out for a future date, you're going to go ahead and change the schedule post so that it's on, and you'll see a date and time selector show up. And you can go ahead and select, whatever day or time you would want. Well, let's say we're going to go live at 5 a.m. and you just go ahead and click set time. Now, this does not schedule your post yet. What you want to do is go ahead and come back to the post, and instead of seeing the post button, you'll see a schedule button now on the top right. So we can go ahead and click that, and you'll see on the bottom that the post is scheduling. So instead of posting, it will say your post is scheduled. And once it's scheduled, you're not going to be able to see it anywhere, okay? You're going to have to go up to the three lines in the top right corner, and then the second option is scheduled content. Now here you can review all the scheduled content, and you can see on the very bottom we have that scheduled post that we just went through and showed you exactly how to schedule. So that's how you schedule out posts on Instagram. Hope this was helpful. We are building out a short, free Instagram creator playlist. So if you have questions, you want to see best practices or simple how-tos on all things Instagram, subscribe to the channel and check out that free playlist. You guys are going to learn a ton of awesome stuff that will help you out on Instagram.